If you need to unshare multiple files from one user in Google Drive, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you accidentally shared too many files with the wrong person, or if you want to clean up access and keep your drive more organized and secure. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Google Drive tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in to the account that contains the files you want to manage. Once you're inside Drive, locate the files that were shared with that user. Now here's the important part. Hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard if you're using Windows or Chromebook and select all of the files you want to unshare. If you're on a Mac, you can use the Command key instead. This lets you choose multiple files at once instead of repeating the process one by one. After selecting the files, right-click on any one of the highlighted files. A menu will appear, and from that menu, click Share. This opens the sharing window for all of the selected files. In this window, you'll see the people who currently have access. Look for the email address of the user you want to remove. If you shared the files with several people, make sure you choose the correct one so you don't remove the wrong access. Next, click the small drop-down arrow next to that person's name or email address. This will reveal more sharing options. From the list, select Remove. This is the step that actually removes that user's access from the selected files. Once you click Remove, Google Drive will update the permissions for those files automatically. If needed, double-check the sharing list to make sure the user no longer appears on the files you selected. If everything looks good, click Done to finish and close the sharing window. At this point, the selected files are no longer shared with that user, and you've successfully removed their access in bulk. This method is a huge time saver because instead of opening each file individually and changing permissions one by one, you can handle multiple files in just a few clicks. It's especially helpful for team folders, client files, school documents, or any shared workspace where permissions need to be updated quickly. One thing to keep in mind is that this only removes access from the files you selected. If the user still has access to other files in your drive, you'll need to repeat the same process for those items as well. Also, if the files are inside a shared folder, folder-level permissions may still give them access, so it's always a good idea to check whether the permission comes from the file itself or from the folder. And that's it. Now you know how to unshare multiple files from one user in Google Drive fast and safely. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Google Drive tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.